Hi everyone, Patrick from Hunter Engineering. Just wanted to go through the Fitment OEM tire and wheel fitment overview. We've just come out with this and we've had it actually before. It's just been recently updated. So I'm going to go through the screen details and kind of show you a little bit of information on it. And I'll attach actually the PDF down below as well, so you have a look at it down there. But it's separated into manufacturers as well as whether it's a heavy assembly is in orange, large diameter in yellow, run flats in green, and then low profiles. And so as we come down here, you'll notice that the Acura has the low profiles, and it also has the green, which is the run flats. Alfa Romeos are running at about 75% of low profiles and 17% of low profiles, or sorry, run flats. Audi is another one. We're looking at a little bit of a mix, but a huge percentage in the low profiles, as well as BMWs, and run flats are up as high as 67%. So if you're looking for a tire changer that's being able to handle those. So we're getting into the Chevys, the Cadillac, the Buick line. Fairly strong on the low profiles and also the run flats. And in the Cadillacs, 36% on Chevrolet for the low profiles, and the run flats are only at 4%. On the Dodge side, we're looking at the Chrysler. I think there's Fiat down here. You can have a look at it as well if I can bring it all up on the screen so you see all of them. So Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, 33% on the low profiles, 40% on the Dodge side, 29% on the Chrysler side. Ford, we're looking at 40%, and then the large assemblies and the heavy assemblies in the orange are 27%, fairly large on the low profiles. GM starting to get in on the heavy side, 80% on those, and Hyundai with Toyota here you can see. So that's just kind of a little bit, and further on the Chrysler side for the Jeep side. More on the larger side than the run flats or the low profiles. Infiniti showing high on the low profiles. Kia, we're looking at 50% low profiles. And what are the ones that would be good? The Lincolns getting in 67 on low profiles. Lexus 57. They're getting in kind of a mix of everything. Larger assemblies 22. Mazda, it's kind of a fairly even. And then Mitsubishi, I don't know why we don't have anything there. Nissan, here we go. And then the Ram side is 67% on the heavy assembly. So those just kind of give you a little bit of it. You have a look down below. Here's the Volkswagen, Toyota, and Volvo, and the Subaru side as well. Have a look below. And yeah, just in future, when you guys are looking at tire changers, have a look at some of the ones that are more specific to the low profiles, large assemblies. Those higher end ones, like our the TC 39, 37, TC 34, which is the Auto 34, and the Revolutions are all really good for those. If you need any demonstrations, let me know. Take care.